Hey, it's Annie here to share another awesome project with you. This was a shower remodel that we did, just finished it up a couple of weeks ago. Looked so let's start at the very beginning, a very good place to start. This client called us. They noticed some failure of the shower floor going on, and we got there, inspected things, and they decided to just start over fresh and new with a new shower. But let's keep that jacuzzi tub because they um, enjoy using it. So while we're at it, let's also update the cabinet top of the vanities, the sinks, and the faucets. They have an awesome modern looking home that has a black and white design, and it was our pleasure to help them make those changes. Here we have that Glazio tile Riverbed Series Pebbly Stone, and I just fell in love with this the first time I saw it. It's gorgeous. For the countertops, they chose a Calcutta Montage, which is a quartz countertop that has a modern veining. Now here it's a little difficult to see the veining, but you'll see it when we get to the end of the project a little better. They chose Urbana 3x12 pure white subway tile for the shower walls, and they're going to use the pebblies in the niche as well as in the backsplash in the bathroom. Demo time, that's my favorite time. So we're preparing to cover the flooring, do heavy sheeting for the walls, covering the countertops, the jacuzzi tub, taking down the mirrors, just protecting the space. Some challenges we see in older homes like this one, and it's not really that old of a home, but you notice they installed the glass enclosure right on top of the tub. So oftentimes in these installations, the jacuzzi tub and the shower are connected. Our crew didn't waste any time. You can see they've got those plastic walls up, the fan here pulling, um, circulating the air and pulling the smells out. We've got the demo has begun. The shower's been removed, and we can see actually the walls and the floor there. Now, I got a little ahead of myself here because they had to remove that wood shower floor that was there, and you can see they're prying it up. And as always, whenever you're pulling up a floor like that, you're going to find some debris. Here are the walls. The floor, it looks clean. You can notice we've got some insulation over here that's going to need some repair going on. All this has to be inspected, the plumbing, before we can do anything else. Once we've done that, the pony wall between the tub and the shower is framed up. And you can see right here, they've got it framed. We don't want that glass leaning on the tub for support. The niche was built in, and this was strategically placed. It was a great idea to have kind of like a kickstand where you can put your foot. We ladies like that. We're shaving our legs, and I know some of you men like to shave your legs too because you do trail biking or swimming, and you take your sport seriously. The installation has been repaired here, and now it's time for our Schluter shower system to be installed. This is a waterproofing system that is awesome. So they've begun this. The walls have been prepped and has the Schluter system in. The floor is being prepped for waterproofing. Here you can see all the seams have been waterproofed. Floor is getting further along. Flood test Fred comes to visit. We want to make sure there's no leaks and that everything is draining correctly. The walls, the ceiling plumbing has been put in. You can see here we've got the plumbing. Our plumber's been out and taken care of that. Now we can get ready to tile. And our awesome tiler Sack wasted no time getting started. Our client chose a herringbone pattern for the design, and it really looks cool here. Now, I know, the blue spacers are there, but I'm a little strange. I kind of like seeing them there because I know that next is the fun part. They take the spacers out, and wow, look at the progress. It just keeps continuing. You can really see the herringbone design there. Looks really cool. Grout hasn't been applied yet. You can see those little lines. Shower floors next. We've got the Pebbly Shore pebbles being installed. That looks cool. Here the niche has been done, and look at the floor. Wow. White prism grout gives the herringbone design a clean finish, and you can see how awesome that's looking. Here it is with the niche has had its grout done. Floor's been done. Time to install finishes on the pony wall, and you're like, well, what's going to happen? We're going to put something right up that strip on the wall there and across the top. Let's see what we're doing. Ooh, we're wrapping it with the Calcutta Montage quartz. You can see it coming down the side. See that cool, what I call a modern veining, and then across the top of the pony wall that did the same thing. That looks really awesome. Really finishes it off. What are some more finishes? Well, look at the countertops. They've been installed with the undermount sink. The pebble stones for the backsplash have been installed. See why I kind of call this a modern vein? Because it's not a lot of veining. It's just the right amount to make a statement. I just love the way that looks. Black fixtures complement and pull the whole design together. Look here with the mirrors, the lights, the black fixtures. Looks awesome. To install the niche in the pony wall, they have to notch it for the glass. Frameless glasses in. Wow, doesn't that look? Just looks so clean, sleek. Wow, our photographer did a great job. A modern, luxurious master bath. Again, check out the before and after pictures. Before with the seashell sinks. After, a great picture of the whole bathroom. And then here we have the before shower, the after shower, the final product of the vanity. Looks awesome. What a difference. What a difference. Stay tuned for more projects